Organizations are constantly being challenged by numerous and diverse security threats. As the severity and frequency of cyber attacks increase, the need for a more proactive strategy such as threat hunting has never been greater. Threat hunting has quickly grown into a critical function for modern security operations centers, which employs cyber threat hunters to detect any suspicious activity within network areas and, through threat analysis, prevent or discover security incidents or vulnerabilities that might otherwise remain undetected. As explained in our previous video, in this model, security professionals hunt for potential threats before they have a chance to cause any real damage. Threat hunting has become popular in many organizations' security programs because it provides a level of situational awareness that other approaches might not reach as fast. A better understanding of the organization, reduced investigation time, and risk mitigation are just a few of the advantages of implementing threat hunting. Hi, it's Antonia from Heimdal, and today we will take a closer look at the most important benefits of threat hunting. 1. Better understanding of the organization. Threat hunting provides IT professionals with a detailed picture of the current situation of the company's security and its expected resilience to different types of threats. Threat intelligence makes it possible to further foresee the detection of a specific threat, giving analysts and incident responders actionable intelligence. 2. Improved response speed. In cybersecurity, the sooner you can stop threats and address exploits, the less damage a security incident causes. When using threat hunting strategies, you identify threats that traditional technologies fail to spot. Incident response teams have access to the information early and can take action quickly. This helps them eliminate the risk before it causes further damage to the company's data and systems. 3. Reduced investigation time. The aftermath of an attack discovery can frequently be hectic and confusing. It's a bombshell that your company, no matter how well prepared, will have to deal with. This can last for hours or days, depending on how fast you can come up with a solution. The chaos surrounding the attack will give threat actors enough time to steal as much data as they want. When you've collected a large amount of data from previous threat hunting, following unexpected incident investigations begin with plenty of information. This helps you to significantly reduce your resolution time. The company will benefit from specialized, skillful professionals on its IT team. When a company decides to go into threat hunting, it should hire someone with the right skill sets. The threat hunter must be knowledgeable not only in cybersecurity in general, but also in forensics, network, and reverse engineering. Other preferable characteristics include malware management, security analytics, and incident response techniques. Advanced problem solving and critical thinking soft skills are also essential. A threat hunter must be passionate about keeping up with the latest developments in threat management. Your security team will greatly benefit from having them on board, since their expertise will be passed on to the rest of your IT staff. 5. Less false positives. Effective threat management is significantly hampered by false positives. False positives make up almost half of the cybersecurity alerts. It's impossible to stop false positives completely. Yet, when there are a lot of them, it makes it difficult for security teams to react promptly to major threats. Threat hunting is human-driven, proactive, iterative, and analytical. With the help of these tools, regular monitoring, behavior pattern searching, the analyst's creativity and analytical skills, there will be less time wasted and fewer false positives. 6. Mitigates overall risk to the organization. According to Statista, as of 2022, the average cost of a data breach in the United States amounted to $9.44 million, up from $9.05 in the previous year. The global average cost per data breach was $4.35 million in 2022. When a cyber attack is successful, the company is affected on multiple fronts. It's not only the sensitive data that's getting into the hands of intruders. Depending on the nature of the attack, operational disruptions can include, among others, fraud risk, costly repairs, damaged reputation, diminished productivity, and expensive settlements. Threat hunting has proven itself to be very effective and a crucial component of the enterprise cybersecurity arsenal, and it's gaining traction as organizations seek better ways to improve their security posture and eliminate malware and advanced persistent threats. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show us your support and like it, share it, and subscribe to Heimdal's YouTube channel.